Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Open PowerShell ISE as administrator so you can load modules and change settings. Once open, set the execution policy to remote sign to let local scripts run while protecting remote code. Then create a new script file, Ctrl+N, and save it with a PS1 extension. Include a header comment with purpose, author, and date. This gets you into the authoring loop immediately, so you can write and test commands rather than pausing for obvious setup. Once you have a script, edit with intent. Use IntelliSense and tab completion to reduce typos and discover parameters quickly. Add breakpoints with F9 where logic branches matter, then run the debugger to step through each line and inspect variables. This reveals why a piece fails. Make your functions modular and import module as needed, testing each function interactively in the lower console pane. Make sure to save often and run small sections to validate behavior before integrating larger changes. To finish, execute with F5 or highlight and run a selection to validate targeted logic. Save your script, update your profile if you want functions available, and consider packaging or scheduling via Task Scheduler for automation. If something goes wrong, inspect the $error variable and rerun with verbose or debug for more context. Check execution policy and run as administrator if permissions are the cause. One key troubleshooting tip: add meaningful error handling and write verbose messages so you can trace failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.